Let's talk about how temporarily deactivate or disable your Facebook account, or how to quit or how to delete your Facebook account completely. If you want to take a break from Facebook, you can temporarily deactivate your account. Deactivation is temporary. Once you log back into your account, it will be reactivated. If you want to quit Facebook, you can schedule to delete your Facebook account. Deletion is permanent. Once you schedule to delete your account, it will be deleted within next 30 days. As well as it is better if you can download a copy of your information before you completely delete your Facebook account. Once you delete it, you can't retrieve anything you have added. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily disable your Facebook account. If you want, you can permanently delete your account using this method. To start, open your Facebook application. After opening, tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Now, either tap the little setting icon or scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then you have to open Settings. Then you will get this new feature called Account Center. All the settings have been moved to this section, so you have to open Account Center. Tap See More in Account Center. Then you will get this window. Here you have to select the second one, Personal Details. Now select the last one, Account Ownership and Control. Select the second one, Deactivation or Deletion. Since you are going to disable our Facebook account, you have to select the first one. Now you can see Deactivate account is selected by default. If you want to disable your account, you can use the same option. And also, if you want to permanently delete your account, you can go for the second one. Since we disable our Facebook account, we will go with the first one, then tap Continue to go forward. Now they ask to re-enter your password. Like this, you can re-enter your password to verify yourself, then tap Continue to go forward. Now you have to provide a reason. From here, you can select any reason you want, but I highly recommend you to select this one. I have another Facebook account. If you want to get the same window like me for the next one, you can select this reason too. Then both of us can get the same window and we will get less question or less interfering to disable our account. So select this reason, then tap Continue to go forward. Then you will see this notice. Even if you deactivate your Facebook account, your Messenger account still will remain active. So if you want to deactivate your Messenger account, you have to do that thing separately. This option only for deactivation Facebook. So deactivate your Facebook account, tap Deactivate My Account button at the bottom. Then you will be logged out from Facebook, and also it will be disable or temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. And also, if you want to do the same thing to your Messenger account, you can find the full video link in the description, or you can click this end screen video and come on over. That's how to temporarily disable or deactivate your Facebook account.